Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to install Microsoft Outlook on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app and click on search and search Microsoft Outlook. Click on Microsoft Outlook if you want to install, and here showing you install. Click on install. Microsoft Outlook is installed according to your internet connection. After install app, go back to home screen and app is showing on your app screen. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install Microsoft Outlook on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.